up, Jimmy?
Steve, I have been racking my brain about physical custodial arrangements.
Well,
and, specifically 50-50.
Okay.
Talk to me about that.
Well, it's really interesting because there are certain states like Arkansas and Kentucky that recently, like in the last year and a half, have mandated that a judge who decides custody, unless there are really good reasons not to, must award a 50-50 custody arrangement. And there are no shortage of people who call us every week and want a 50-50 custody arrangement. Now, what's the law in Georgia on that? Do you know? Or do we have a presumption that 50-50 custody is going to occur from the outset?
No, there is no presumption either way as to which parent should be primary.
Right, but are you aware that the Georgia legislature in the last session actually considered a law very similar to the one Arkansas and Kentucky have?
I was not aware of
Yeah, and it didn't pass. Now, I laugh at the idea of a presumption of a 50-50 custody arrangement because you and I live in a city of over 6 million people. I mean, half the population of the state of Georgia lives in the 23-county Atlanta metro area, and it's actually possible to be stuck in hours of traffic and only travel 20, 30 miles across the city, right? So if a judge is going to reflexively say, you know, that we're going to do 50-50 custody, the problem in Metro Atlanta is it just may be physically impossible. So I am optimistic or pessimistic, I guess, depending on how you look at it, that the legislature in Georgia will do this in the next few years. But I think that the deviation is going to be heavy. In other words, the judges are going to have to deviate constantly. It's going to be a mess, is what I think.
Well, you know, to your point right there, I've had many conversations with people where they say, oh, well, we only live 12 miles apart. And I'm like, okay, you're also talking about Marietta to Norcross.
Right.
And that 12 miles could take you an hour.
It could. In our next video, let's talk about the advice we give people who legitimately want a 50-50 custody arrangement and what the prerequisites are. Let's talk about that next.